Hi guys, in this video I will discuss about 9 tips and strategies to get more Twitter followers. Guys, Twitter is a short messaging platform. You can tweet small messages on Twitter. So Twitter is a great resources to get the traffic, clients, leads. So you will get amazing expose with the help of Twitter. So further you have to acquire some followers on Twitter. In this particular video I am revealing 9 tips, 9 excellent ways so you can get the more followers on the Twitter. So whatever the methods today I am sharing with you, those I am following to grow my Twitter account. So guys, the first tip is the tweet motivational quotes. Motivational quotes are very awesome and they will uh, motivate others. So they will inspire from your motivational quotes and they will retweet, they will like and they will reply to your tweets also. So motivational quotes help very lot. So if you are not tweeting motivational quotes on your Twitter, just tweet the motivational quotes. So you can also create some beautiful images using with the help of Canva and you can upload those images to Twitter. The next tip is the tweet the combination of pictures and text. Guys, visual content is more engaging than the only text based content. So consider to publish pictures with the combination of text on the Twitter. The next tip is the post the videos. So videos also helps to get better engagement on the Twitter. So you can upload short videos on the Twitter. So you no need to create extra videos for your Twitter. So whatever the videos you are uploading onto the YouTube, just take the clips from interesting clips from that video and repurpose that particular video for your Twitter. The next amazing tip is the ask the questions. Guys, questions trigger the users to give the more replies. So when you ask the questions, people are very curious to answer for those questions. So if you are not asking any questions on your Twitter, just you are missing a lot. So you have to ask the questions. So once go to my profile, guys, once go to my Twitter profile and there you will find lot of questions. So just observe those things and you will get idea so which questions you have to ask. So if you are producing a content related to fashion, in that case you have to ask the questions related to fashion industry. The next option is the next powerful tip is the ask the question by mentioning popular brands. Guys, asking questions by tagging the brands is very awesome tip, because when you when you tag the brands will be notified and the brands also retweets your tweet. That means you will get more exposure, you will get more followers. The next tip is the conduct the polls. So guys, if you want to know which one working, which one not working, so you may not judge the things by simple. You can judge things which one working, which not working by taking the feedback from the users. You have to take the feedback from the users. So which particular portion or which particular tool the most people are recommending, so that polls are helps in that very lot. Include the hashtags. So guys, hashtags will help you to reach the new people on the Twitter. So guys, don't use too many hashtags, just use 3 to 5 hashtags on for every tweet. Mostly use the relevant hashtags. Okay, you have to use the relevant hashtags. Next tip is the mention your followers in the tweet. So guys, whenever you are getting a new follower, just mention that follower and say thank you for following me. So and also if you are yeah, and also if any person asking a doubt, so mention that person and give the solution to that doubt. So if you mention the followers in your tweets, the followers will be notified from the tweet and the followers will retweet your tweet very easily. So then you will get the more exposure to your tweets and you will get the more Twitter followers. Guys, I hope these particular tips will awesome and you will very like. So just if you are YouTube or if you are in Facebook, just comment superb awesome dofer. Okay guys, so just comment that particular comment. So next tip is do collaboration. Guys, you have 1,000 followers and your friend has 1,000 followers. If you do each other tweets, so if you collaborate each other, you both have the 2,000 followers, right? So that's the power of the collaboration. You have to find the influencers, you have to find the relevant content creators in your niche, and you have to contact them via email, and then you both have to collaborate each other, and you both have to promote each other yourself. Collaboration will help you a lot to get the new followers on the Twitter. The next tip is the promote on other social media. You have followers on Facebook, you have followers on Instagram, you have followers on YouTube. Just you have to divert those followers to your Twitter. So just say in your YouTube videos, just guys follow me on Twitter. Just say on your Facebook page, guys follow me on Twitter. Is my Twitter handle. I am also producing the helpful short pieces of content on the Twitter. So consider to follow from this link. So if you say like that, the whatever followers you have in on other social media, they will also follow you on Twitter also. The next tip is the run the paid ads. Guys, running paid ads is very important. So if you want to scale your profile, if you want to grow your profile very rapidly, then paid ads will helps a lot. Guys, again I am listing all these 9 methods to increase your Twitter followers. The first method is the tweet the motivational quotes, and you have to tweet combination of pictures and text, and you have to upload the videos, and you have to ask the questions, and you have to ask the questions by mentioning popular brands. You have to conduct the polls and include the hashtags to reach new people, and you have to mention the followers in your tweets, and you have to collaborate with other influencers, and you have to promote your Twitter account on other social media profiles, and you have to run the paid ads. Guys, I hope these methods will help you to get the more followers on Twitter. If you have any questions, you can send me a message. You can find my handles, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook handles on the screen. If you like this video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.